we know that we should never nest component definitions within one another. And by the end of this example, we're going to understand why. Here we have an app that's rendering a counter component. And within this counter component, we see some rather trivial counter logic. But we also have this nested counter that we've defined within the counter component itself. And we see that the parent works and the nested counter works as well. However, when we click the parent, once we have some saved state in our nested counter, we see that the nested state gets reset. This is because when I click the counter button, this onClick handler fires, which leads to a re-render of this full counter component. What happens during the re-render is that this nested counter code runs again, and nested counter becomes a new component from React's point of view, which means that the state is reinitialized for this nested counter. And it also means that when React is examining its UI tree, it's going to replace the old nested counter with the new nested counter.